So students, today we will see the midpoint problem in the line projections. Now read out the problem. A line AB is 60 mm above HP, 50 mm in front of VP. A line length is 80 mm and it is inclined 30 degree to HP, 45 degree to VP, and that line is, this is the problem, but it is a midpoint problem. That inclinations and other things 60 mm above and 50 in front of VP, everything is with respect to midpoint of this line. Okay, so line is 80 mm, so midpoint means 40 mm. So first we will do the preliminary works, that is making one reference plane, give the name for the reference plane, sometimes due to autofocus it will give blur. During the time you have to adjust it manually. Okay. Yes, okay. So give the reference plane and give the name x, y, and you know that above the reference plane is VP, below that HP, that you give the name. Up to that there is no problem. Then you check a line length is 80 mm and it's with respect to midpoint, and line AB is 60 mm above HP. Okay. Above HP means it is with respect to midpoint. Midpoint is exactly above 60 mm. So take your drafter and measure up to 60 mm. So for me I just taking blurry, it will be 60 mm. So make one horizontal line and give this dimension is 60. Close the arrowhead. 60. Okay. So in the line somewhere you put one small point. Okay. It's a midpoint. So what I going to do? I going to put this one as a B, because origin I may line AB is 60 mm above. Okay. Then midpoint is okay. Then let me check line AB. So line AB is 60 mm above. Okay. The length of the line is 80 mm. So I cannot give any other things. Simply I can give C as a center point. Okay. Now let me check. It's 60 mm above. First plane is over. Then length of the line 80 mm. Let we'll go with second attempt. Inclined 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Now we are going to make this one. Okay. So if any inclination is happened to HP, that will be projected on VP's plane. Okay. If 45 degree is inclined to VP means from the top view only we can see the projection will be in HP. So here we have to make 30 degree inclined line. Just give something length line which is 30 degree. Okay. Then we know the line name is AB and it is total length is 80 mm, and this is the midpoint. So here 40 mm one cut and here 40 mm one cut. So total length is A, B, and okay. So total length is 80. You will get. Okay. Now one setup problem is over. Now from A you make one small horizontal line, and point B also make one small horizontal line. Actually it's supposed to be here. Okay, it should pass over here. So now the same thing repeated for the bottom side also. Okay, so 50 mm in front of VP. So from here to here we have to make 50 mm. Okay, it should be less than that previous one. 50, make one horizontal line. Okay, then here we are using C, so we may use fix one small line. Okay, C dash straight away here, C dash or C1 etc. you make it, no problem. Then we have 45 degree inclined. Okay, then mark 45 degree angle and make one line. Okay, so you know that 80 mm length, so 40 mm here one cut, and we call this A dash C1, right? Then we'll give A1 B1. Okay, then make a horizontal line from this one and this one, that's it. Then later we have as usual things, that means we have to drop one line up to this midpoint projection and we have to measure this distance, and before that we will give D1. Okay, so we want to D1, what is the distance, measure it in the compass and cut one arc over here. Okay, so if you want, you give, this is not A1, A, B, C, D, we will give E1, this point. Okay, similarly that from B we have extended. So from the B1, here is the point, so extend one line just up to here, midpoint, then you measure, you will give, it's a D1, right. So we will give D, measure CD distance, cut one arc here, that is E. Okay, then you try to connect E and E1, and it have to be a single straight line. If it is a single straight line, your problem is correct. This is the procedure, and this is how we are going to make the projection. And later, if you want to show the true length and other things, just make a measurement, you will get. That's it.